Hello, my dear friend. I'm Anuj Sukhija, aka Salsa Monk from Pune, India, and I welcome you to this course on Salsa, Shines and Footwork.
First of all, I'm so happy and so grateful that you have taken time out to know more about this course out of so many courses available out there on this topic and on this platform. To make it quick for you, let me help you decide whether this course is an ideal one for you to invest your time, money, effort and energy to study and learn from. This video will cover 4 major questions. First, who is an ideal student for this course? Second, what do we mean by shines and footwork? What are its advantages, benefits and takeaways? Third, the structure of this course and its major components. And the fourth one, to know a little more about us, our dance qualifications, our work experience and our dance school. Let's start with the first one. Whether this course and you are an ideal match for each other or not. If you are facing any of the challenges that I am listing now, then this course is for you. First one, you don't have a great vocabulary of salsa shines. Second, even if you know a bunch of shines, you find it hard to remember, recollect and recreate these on social dancing floor. Third one, you still count in your head while dancing and can't connect to salsa songs or music in terms of salsa rhythms and instruments. Fourth one, you don't feel confident enough to break away from your partner to do freestyling or salsa shines. And the fifth one, you want to add or imbibe some of the qualities in this list of salsa, shines and footwork benefits. This list is not an exhaustive one, but it still covers a lot of the benefits shines and footwork offer. We do need a great chunk of this list as building blocks in this exciting salsa journey. Once you carve these in your muscle memory through practice and repetition, your dancing will grow massively to the point that you can express in a way that relates to music, known as musicality. If your answer to one or more of these challenges is yes, then this course is definitely for you. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate or an advanced level salsa dancer, this course has a lot to offer. It will make your shines, your partner work, your body movement and anything and everything that you do in salsa much more richer, much more expressive and much more graceful.
Now, let's answer all these questions one by one. What are shines? What is footwork? Why do we need them? What is the important significance and benefits that we get out of the shine? Normally, salsa is a partner dance in a handhold. But often, the dances involve shines, which are usually referred to as footwork, steps and patterns beyond just the basic steps. These are normally show-offs and involve fancy and complex footwork as well as body movement and arm work. These are danced in separation and each dancer has the opportunity to freestyle on their own to the rhythm and accents of the salsa music. The saying goes, if you can't love yourself, how can you love another person? Similarly, this directly applies to partner dancing. Any great dancer will say the same. If you can't dance by yourself, you can't dance great with another person. In salsa, if you're really serious about becoming an amazing version of salsa dancer, then you really can't skip on shines and footwork. Normally, dancers who spend a lot of time on shines and footwork have quite a few advantages. They can have more fun with social dancing because they have much more tools in their toolkit. They can break away from their dance partner and freestyle with shines that they have learned and even create new ones on the go. This allows them to express in ways that many don't. Their body movement is better. They can turn quicker when executing turn patterns when required them to turn, whether it's a male or a female. They look better because of their own personal style, fluidity of movement, body movements, styling, musical interpretation and their technique, timing and speed. While social dancing, it also adds more variety to the dance and there are sections in the music that can often require and rather beg for solo dancing. Now, we would be covering and detailing about the structure of this course. Salsa Shines and Footwork has been divided into multiple volumes. All these volumes are interrelated. In each volume, you will be learning around 20 plus shines. These shines are divided into various groups of shines. We call them shines bundles. Hence, a volume will contain 3 or 4 Shines bundles with around 5 to 6 Shines taught in each of these bundles. With every new volume, we would be adding more Shines to already taught bundles in the previous volumes as well as more bundles in that volume. And this process goes on. In certain volumes, you will also find Shines choreos which include Shines taught in that volume as well as the Shines which were taught in the volumes before that. Let me now tell you a little more about us and our dance school.
Me and my lovely friend and dance partner, Komal Degvekar, started learning salsa and other Latin American dance forms in 2006. With great beginnings and solid foundations, we went on to continue learning salsa from many renowned national and international teachers and artists, and kept growing by enhancing our knowledge and by working and sharpening our skill set to become better with every passing year. Along with salsa, I am also trained in Afro Orishas, Cuban rumba, ballroom rumba, cha-cha-cha, merengue, pachanga, jive and kizomba. But my first love has always been salsa. Komal and I started teaching and dancing professionally in 2009 when we both started our own dance school with the name Heels Dance Academy. And now, after 11 long years, we have a beautiful and dedicated team of 13 plus members. We also love to travel, to learn, to teach and to perform along with our students' teams in various national and international Latin festivals throughout the year. Feel free to take a look through the course description and curriculum. And we look forward to see you inside to start this exciting journey of becoming an amazingly skillful, expressive, musical and a treat to watch salsa dancer.